How many of y'all remember this video from March of 2018? This is one of my staple treatments. Many people ask me of what I use on a regular. Here we go right here. Coconut oil and baking soda. That one is one that will never go away. Using coconut oil and baking soda will knock 3 to 5 years off of your skin.
Yes, this was it. Yes, and let me tell you, coconut oil and baking soda, it is a beautiful treatment, but I experienced a little bit of a problem with it because I was overdoing it. And that's one thing I want to bring to light today. The truth about this viral DIY. Not that it's bad, it's just that you cannot overdo it. So that is why I have put it back into my routine. And so today we are talking about one of the most viral DIY beauty recipes on the internet, coconut oil and baking soda. But before you run to your kitchen, we need to talk. This combination is often called a miracle scrub, but mature skin is not 25-year-old skin. After 50, your skin barrier is thinner, your oil production decreases, and your pH balance is more delicate. Baking soda is highly alkaline. Your skin is naturally slightly acidic. So if you use this incorrectly, you can cause dryness, irritation, even more sagging over time. So today I am showing you the safe way. When used occasionally and gently, this mixture can smooth rough texture, temporarily tighten the look of pores, help dull skin look fresher, improve how makeup sits. But this is not a daily facial, and it is not for sensitive or rosacea-prone skin. Do not use this if you have very dry skin, rosacea, broken capillaries, active acne, thin, easily irritated skin. If your skin stings easily, skip this one altogether. Now, this is where I had to take heed. How often to use it? Maximum once every 10 to 14 days, not every other day, not 3 or 4 times a week, just once every 10 to 14 days, not weekly, not twice a week, and never daily. The recipe is simple. You only need organic coconut oil and baking soda. Now the mix, you can mix it however you want to, but if you're just starting out, you may just want to mix 1 teaspoon of the organic coconut oil and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. That's it. Coconut oil helps cushion the exfoliation and provides temporary softness. Baking soda provides physical exfoliation, which removes surface buildup. The tightening you feel comes from surface smoothing, not collagen rebuilding. So in a small bowl, mix until it forms a soft paste. It should feel creamy, not gritty and dry. If it feels rough, add a little more coconut oil. Start with damp skin. Use only 2 fingers, light circular motions. Do not scrub hard. Focus only on your nose, chin, rough cheek texture. Make sure you avoid your under eyes, your neck, and thin skin areas. Massage gently for no more than 30 to 45 seconds. That's it. And to remove, use lukewarm water. Pat dry, no rubbing. Then immediately apply your moisturizer or facial oil. Barrier repair is essential afterwards. After rinsing, your skin will feel smoother, your makeup will apply more evenly, your pores will look temporarily refined. But this is a texture refresher, not a lifting treatment. Now, be mindful that natural doesn't always mean gentle. Just because it's in your kitchen does not mean your face needs it every day. And that's it, beautiful babes. So check back tomorrow. I'll see you then. And remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and always share this good stuff with a friend. Bye.